Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Cash App on Steam. To start, open Cash App on your phone and make sure your Cash Card is activated. If it is not activated yet, go into the Cash Card section and complete the setup process. Next, open Steam on your computer or visit the Steam website. Sign into your account and click on your profile name in the top right corner. From the menu, click on the View My Wallet option. Then choose Add Funds and pick the amount you want to add to your Steam wallet. At the payment screen, select Visa or MasterCard as your payment method. Enter your Cash App debit card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Double-check all information before confirming the payment. Once the payment is successful, your Steam wallet will update, and you can start buying games or other content. If you do not have the Cash Card, you cannot use it on Steam, but if you have any friends that can gift you a Steam gift card, you can ask them and then send them the money using your Cash App funds. Thanks for watching.